Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can generate an assessment code of a particular government service and how you can use your Yonna wallet to pay for that service. So first let's click on our browser. Mine is Chrome, and then search for GovPay, then self-assessment. Okay, GovPay self-assessment. So when you search for that, click on this first link where it says revenue type GovPay. So click on that, and now we are on the page where we can generate an assessment code. As you can see, we have an assessment code here, but first we need to identify ourselves. Okay, so this information's here are my identification details. So I'm gonna choose my ID type as ID card, and then here you enter the ID number. And then you enter your name. Like if you are the one applying for the government service, this will be your name. Okay, and also if you have any contact person, you can put the name here, but I'm just gonna stick with my name for now. And then here I'm gonna enter my phone number. So the next is to choose a revenue type. That basically means the kind of service that we want to pay for, or the kind of product that we want to pay for, be it an ID card, be it passport, be it license, number plate, like the list goes on. So here I want to pay for my number plate. Okay, let me look for that record here. Okay, so personal number plates, Ministry of Interior. So I'm gonna click on that. Okay, so once I choose the revenue type, the code will be prefetched, and then also the amount will be populated. So I'm now done with this. So what I can do is to click on submit. Okay, so now my assessment code has been generated. So what I'm going to do is to copy this. Okay, and then this is the amount that I need to pay for, which is $11,500. So now we are done on the GovPay website. So we go and open our Yonna wallet. So open the application. Okay, so you need to make sure that you add funds to your wallet so that you can make this payment. Okay, so let's go to GovPay. This is the feature. Click on GovPay, and then we're gonna paste the assessment code that we copied. So paste, and then you search. And voila, we can see the same information that we saw on the website earlier on. Okay, so now you can click on pay. And then once the payment is completed, you can go to history. You will see a history of the government payments that you have done, and then from here you can actually download the receipt and go and print it and do whatever you want with it. So yeah, this is the whole process. All right, thank you.